Alright dudes, today we are going to take care of these dudes. And mount screw thingies. I don't know the technical term, so we'll go with that. And then once those are on, we can clamp it onto that guy, who then mounts to that guy. And then we will set our distance, and then the real fun begins. Making some parts, or the, whatever you call it, that goes the bars from there to that, which would be back here. Okay, less talk, more do. Woo. We are totally calm. We are relaxed. We are happy. You go over there. Cool. So, ping. So you need to do something like that. Okay. First, can we get these guys? Oh, jeez. I need the vice. Why? Come on. That's one. Can I do this one by hand? No. All right. Got a lot of length here. So I'll probably get it to where the edges match the edges of that. Maybe we'll take a little bit off of these edges. Maybe I'm being stupid. I don't know. Oh, that is the theme of this. Let's do what seems like a good idea at the time. Okay. Yep, let's do that. Oh, oops. Wait. Alright, dude, whatever. Ah! You're not too hot, are you? Okay. Nice. Alright, let's see what we get now. I don't think that made much of a difference. But these might make it easier to, like, secure it in place while we weld. So we'll do that with the other ones. Hang on a second. Alright. I got two of them. Let's see if my brain is thinking of anything useful today. Wait, you know what? I got a better idea. Oh, this guy. Okay. What do we have here? Put that. Okay. Back to the. Oh, that's good. So we want the other. Oh, I'm kind of spastic today. But as long as we have mission success, it's okay. Wait, where's it going? Oh no! There's a car! Someone's here. Okay. Alright, here we go. See, that looks pretty good. There we go. I'll have to wiggle it around a little bit, but this seems to be the trick. Gonna get ready for some welding. So here we go. Oh, that looks good. And you can get off of me. You can kind of tell on camera. It looks pretty good. I think that is adequate. Jigman, excuse me. Oh, that looks so cool. It just looks cool. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Will you get it? Whoa. Want to see a magic trick? Ah! Oh, here we go. I hope we can get this right. Ooh! Yeah! Yeah! Come on. I think we might need a little more juice and speed. Did you move? Okay, you look pretty good. Ugh. Don't wear these. Those are not very good for welding. Okay. Oh no. I also forgot the anti-goober. Blech. Okay, dude. Yeah. Look at that. It's so ugly. No, it's just ugly. All right, other side. Oh, that's not right at all. Okay. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, we'll do it from that side. Whoop. Yeah, hot, hot, hot. Ooh, that got hot. Ooh, it's a pretty, oh, geez, that's hot. That's a pretty color. Okay, one down. One to go. Repeat the process. Can't get that. Wow. Magic. Hey. No. It's not good enough. Okay. Nice. Oh no! It's not! How'd you get crooked like that? I'm doing this for 5 minutes. Come on. Ooh. All right. Fine. Darn it. Go through here. Whoa. Ah! Okay. Yeah, double check. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, forgot again. Oh, yeah. That's pretty good. Hold it right there, buddy. Ah, that's hot. Oh. All right. Okay, go around. Ah. Okay. We're 2 away from glory. Yes. Did we do it? Is this? Oh yeah. Okay. Nicely done. Now we're gonna stick one on the jig. That should be cool. There it is. See, yellow line there is where the stock swing arm, the joint was. So let's get close to that. Call it good. Oh yeah. Okay. Flames are actually almost not tacky anymore. Look at that. Oh. What do we want? Let's see here. Where is it? Stock. That's how far stock is. Pretty short. I think we will go +9, baby. Because why not? It's always in the even numbers. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Cool, dudes. We're on our way. Where am I going? That looks pretty sweet. That is a good step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, dudes. Okay. I hope you keep watching. Focus. Oh, I have a cut. Never mind. All right, I'll see you. I hope you keep watching. Jeez Louise. All right, I'm out.